Hey guys, it's Dave Kanye here for TransWorldMotocross.com. We're here at beautiful Washougal testing the 2010 Yamaha 250F. YZ 250F?
Do it again.
Alright.
You don't have to speak so slowly.
Hey guys, it's Dave Kanye here, beautiful Washougal, testing the Yamaha. Hold on. Hey guys, Dave Kanye here for TransWorldMotocross.com. We're here at beautiful Washougal, testing the Yamaha YZ 250F. I forgot to say 2010, right?
Yeah,
I forgot to say it?
Yeah. Say all new in 2010.
Okay. Hey guys, Dave Kanye here for TransWorldMotocross.com. We're here at Washougal Motocross Park, testing the all-new Yamaha 250F. Dude, I get nervous in front of a camera. I get nervous. Pretty much right off the bat, the 10s are a whole new bike. This is hard, man. This is hard, man. Dude, I get so giddy in front of a camera. And right off the bat, fuck, dude. All right, hold on. Dude, this is gonna take a while. Is that good? Oh my god, I'm like a retard. So as soon as you...
Take the stick out of your butt, man.
Oh man. Definitely this year's bike, the front end doesn't dive as much as the 09. This one, it tracks really... fuck. Dude. Alright, what were we talking about? Give me a second. Okay.
Loosen up, dude. Loosen up.
Dude, do I look that tense?
No, you're just talking like you're
a robot.
Normal, like you're Hi. You're talking like
over on an over rev and oh fuck. Let me do that over.
Start up.
On paper, definitely. Definitely.
Stop saying definitely.
I know. Wait a minute. Time out. You ready? So on paper, the changes of the motor are very minimal. It's like I'm giving a lecture, you know? It's definitely, dude. Does that make sense? The 09, the motor was pretty weak all around. Fell flat on its face. The 09 definitely fell flat. This bike just, fuck, dude.
When you're
So what was the question? We definitely pull, hold on. This being one of dude, stop smiling. That doesn't make sense, does it?
Just talk about what you're talking to me. Don't try to sound smart.
Yeah. On the track, the bike definitely has some noticeable difference. Definitely has some.
Dude.
Oh, that was good, but I lost it. Comparing this bike to the 2009. What was the question again? Should I say in conclusion? Oh. So overall...